problem with human beings is that we somewhere along the line, we stay in our comfort zone and we stop striving. And that is the beginning of your decline. A human being is a sum of all his experiences. So whatever you go through from school, what you learn, it helps you in university. University helps you in work after that. So everything in life is a stepping stone, provided you treat it as a stepping stone. There's no such thing as a plateau in a human being. It's either you're going up or you're going down. The more you challenge yourself, the stronger you will get. Each experience equips you to deal with the next experience. That's what progress is in a human being and a society. If, for instance, all the struggle I learned from on the cricket field, had I after cricket just done cricket work, commentary, all that, that would have meant I would have capped the limit of my potential. That would have meant that, I would then have taken the easy option, my comfort zone. And that's what a lot of sportsmen do. Because they can actually, what they learn in sports, because they struggle at such a high level, it equips them to actually go into any other field.